Okay. Good morning, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. So today, our most probably this is the last courses besides the uh, exercises for CLO 3 and 4. So this one is the last material in the CLO 4, which is we call it as a triple integral in Cartesian coordinates. Okay. So previously we have discussed. I will try to remind you. We discussed about double integral over a rectangle, over arbitrary domain, and then we change the order of the integral in the double integral. Okay. So in this case, triple integral, we will only discuss the geometrical meaning of this triple integral, and then uh, how can we solve it. Okay. So first of all, we will go through the slides. Okay. So we consider a functions, these functions. This is a three-dimensional functions, so it depends on uh, x, y, z. Okay. I will go to the canvas. Most probably it is easier to explain it and then slower. Okay. So before that, uh, I will copy this one and put it as a point. Uh, Go to this one. Yeah. So this most probably this is better. Okay. So we consider a three-dimensional shape. Okay. This is like a boxes. Boxes. It's depend on x and y and z. Okay. Question is, what are the meaning of the triple integral of x is a function f x y z and d phi. Okay. So what you can see directly here, this is actually a volume. Okay. This is three-dimensional triple integral. Call it. Okay. So what does it mean actually, and then how can we calculate it? So we consider a box, okay, and then we put that in the we make it in a smaller box. Okay, let's say this is a small box shapes. Okay, and then in this small box, this one uh, we we consider the length of this. Okay, the length of this one is actually delta x. Okay, the length of this one is delta y, and the height of this box is actually delta z. Okay, just as this one. Okay, and then now the question is, how can we calculate this volume of the box? Volume of the box, gimana ngitungnya? Panjang kali lebar kali tinggi ya. Delta x times delta y delta z. Okay, so this one is the volume. The volume of this small box. Okay. Okay, now we try to divide it. Okay, first one. Divide the box shape and the uh, box shape region B. Region B, which is this one. Okay, this B. Region B into n parts. Okay, n parts. Let's say this one is B1, B2 until Bn. Okay, just this one. This is bk. Okay. Second one, uh, let's say we take some average. Okay, the average of this function take uh, average of the x and in the y and the z average. Okay, and then it's sorry, this one should be k. This is x x average k, y k average, and then z k average. What does it mean? This one, I draw again the small boxes that we have. Okay, this one, this is the let's say this is the bk. I draw it again, and this one, this is put the different color, and this one is xk. Okay, and then this is yk. So this is the average of this boundary point. Okay, and then this one is the zk. Okay, and then we have this one, and this one is element of bk. Okay, this is bk. Okay, this is the picture of number 2, and then the second one, the third one, make a Riemann sum. Riemann sum. Okay, the Riemann sum is this box. We slices into small boxes in order to calculate the whole things, the whole boxes here. Okay, so we calculate the whole boxes by the whole box using these small boxes. Okay, so the Riemann sum. What is the Riemann sum then for these functions? It is exactly the same as in the two-dimensional or in the double integral. So this one is a function. Take this one, the average value, xk, yk average, and then zk average, and then times the volume. Okay, times the volume of vk, and then we summarize. So summarize. For example, in the k up to n. Okay, just as this n. Okay, just as this n, exactly the same. Okay, n parts. And then uh, when let's say this one is call it as a delta. Nah, the delta. This is the longest, the same definition as in double integral. Okay, this is the longest, the longest delta between delta x, delta y, delta z. Okay, this is the longest one, and this longest one is goes to 0, and then we obtain a limit of limit of Riemann sum, the Riemann sum. Okay, take again this one, and this is we take the limits. It's a delta, and then delta is going to 0, and then this is a sigma f xk yk bar, and then zk bar, and then times the delta volume of the vk, and then k goes from 1 to n, and then this delta, what does it mean? Delta note. Okay, I take a note. Delta, sorry, so this is delta is largest between delta x, delta y, delta z. Or I can define it differently. This is maximum value between delta x, delta z, y, delta z. So when when the norm of this delta is goes to zero, what does it mean? Means that means this boxes is very small. The box, sorry, the box bk is very small. Okay, near continuous. Okay, I cannot say it in this perspective. Okay, this is very small. That's all. That's it. Okay, and then what does it mean? This one is become when the limit is exists. When the limit is exists. Okay, then the function functions. I call it as a now. Is instead of z, this is w, f, x, y, z is integrable. Integrable. Sorry. Integrable is integrable at the box shape b. Okay, and then this formula, this noted as a green one, this one, it's become integral, triple integral, what we call it as a triple integral of a function f, y, z, and then this one is a dv. Okay, so it's become this one is become this one. The limit is exactly the same as an above formula, and then this one is f x k. We'll move it a little bit. Okay, f, this is xk, yk, zk, bar, and then delta v. Okay, and then k from 1 to n. Okay, now what do we have? We have the definition. Oh, sorry, this is b. Okay, over b. Okay, now we have the definitions. Sorry, now we have the definitions of the triple integral based on Riemann. Okay, what does it mean? Jadi artinya apa di sini? So this one meaning that in order to calculate the whole boxes, we calculate it in the small pieces, and then we summarize it. Okay, ada pertanyaan nggak sampai di sini? Is there any questions regarding this one? So what you need to note as actually note this is a second note. Okay, this I put that note here. Okay, note. So this one, delta Vk is actually, as I defined previously, okay, this one is a volume. The volume, what is the volume? The height, the panjang, lebar, tinggi. Okay, delta xk times delta yk times delta zk. Okay, when it is continuous, so this become dv, and this one is become dx, dy, dz. That defining the triple integral such that, okay, sorry, such that, okay, So this triple integral is become, this is the b, exactly the same. This is f x y z d phi. So we calculate it as, this is over b, exactly the same, x y z, and this one is become dx dy d, sorry, dz. Okay, this is how we calculate it, and then how we define the triple integral over a box. Okay, any questions? Ada pertanyaan nggak sampai di sini? Is there any questions regarding this one? So 12 people already come in. Well, okay. Sejauh ini jelas ya. So belum kelihatan? Okay, now we take example. Okay, we take an example. So example number 1, calculate it. Okay, calculate triple integral. Triple integral, I call it over b, and then this is the function is x squared y z d phi. Okay, with b is a box shape region that is defined as this one. This is a b. Okay, b is a set of points of x y z with conditions where x is between 1 and 2. Okay, I choose different color, and then y is between 0 and 1, and then z is between 1 and 2. All right, z is uh, between 1 and 2. Okay, langsung ya kita ini, this is boxes. So as previously we did. Okay, this is if you can directly draw it. This is x, y, and then this is z. Okay, and then x is between 1. This is 1 and 2, and then y is between 0 and 1. 0. Then this is 1, and then z is between 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2. Okay. Kelihatan nggak gimana bentuknya? Okay, how do we draw it? Okay, I will try my best. Okay, like this, and then this one, and then this z. Okay, jadi gimana gambarnya? Colornya apa ya? Colornya biru coba. Okay, this one. So it's become from 1 to n. This one, and the box is somewhere here. Okay, try my best to to draw it. At least it looks like this, most probably. Okay, so this one is the b. Okay, now we define the integral. What is the integral? So the integral over the b of the function x y z dz. Okay, and then we define as previous one, as previously. Okay, this is x squared y only, and then z d, sorry, ini bukan dz ya, dv this is volume, dV. Nah, sekarang kita define, karena ini sama saja ordernya, karena semuanya sama dan ini bentuknya gampang diintegralkan. Oke, kita dari dx, dy, dz, dy, dz. Oke, dan x in between 1 sampai 2, y is between 0 to 1, and then z is from 1 to 2. Oke? Nah, sekarang gimana mengerjakannya? Kita solve dulu yang ini. Oke? So, I choose the same color. I write down everything in z and y from 0 to 1. Now we integrate this one. Nah, ini x square times y times z, we integrate with respect to x. Jadinya apa? Saya pakai biru ya. Y and z we consider it as y dan z ini kita anggap sebagai apa? Konstanta, okay? As a constant. Though, and then we write down first. Okay, konstanta, kemudian x square we integrate as, jadinya apa? X pangkat 3 per 3. Benar nggak? Benar ya? And then this one is x between from 1 to x is 2. And then this one supaya nggak hancur susunannya, saya pakai dy dz. Saya pakai kurung, okay? And then it's become this one is from 1 to 2. This is 0 to 1. And then now we substitute in the blue one, okay? X-nya sama dengan 2. 2 pangkat 3, 8 ya. 8 per 3. Oke. Saya keluarkan di ininya. YZ-nya saya keluarkan. Ini 1 berarti dikurang 1 per 3. Oke? Semuanya ngerti nggak ini? Ngerti ya? And then this one is still the same, dy dz. And then this is, I write down again. So this one is become, this is 1 and 2, 0, 1. And this one, 8 dikurang 1, it's 7. It is 7 over, 3. Okay, 3. Y, z. And then the rest is dy, dz. Okay, now we solve again. Solve again this y. Okay, kita calculate lagi y yang di sini. Okay, dan ini adalah this is 1 over 2. Dan ini kita integralkan terhadap y. Jadinya apa? Jadi yang konstan kita anggap, kita tulis dulu yang konstan 7 per 3. Oke, ini di sini ada z. Di sini y jadinya berapa? Square. Oke, and square over 2. Kita pakai biru ya. Okay, I will use a blue to make it clear. So this one is 7 over 3, and then y square over 2. Kita integralkan terhadap y ya. And then z we consider it as constant. And then this one is y is from 0 and then to 1. I make a big bracket again. And then this one is respect to z. Okay. So this one is 1 to 2. Jadinya berapa ini? 7 per 5. 7 per 6 ya. 7 over 6. 7 over 6 times z. Z, and then yang dalamnya adalah 1 per 2 dikurang 0. Okay, and then this one is dz. Jadi tinggal z, okay? Tinggal z. Oke, saya tuliskan di sini biar nggak terlalu panjang. Oke, ini adalah 7 per 12 z, d, z, and then z is become 1/2. Okay? 7/12 jadinya berapa? Diintegralkan z, 7/12 dikali 2 dikali dengan z square. And then z is from 1 to 2. Okay? Ya, benar gak nih? Harusnya benar ya? Benar ya? Yeah, that's correct. Most probably. Okay, 7/24. And then this is 4 minus 1. Let's become 7/24. And then this is 3. And then 3. Benar gak sih? Oke, benar ya? Ada yang salah gak ini? Benar ya? 4 kurang 1. 8 ini ya? 24. 8? 7/8. Benar gak? Kira-kira. Any questions? Bisa? Ada yang tahu? 12 orang nih. 12 orang. Okay? Is it correct or not? Ada yang salah nggak nih dari yang saya? 17, 12. Kok beda ya hasilnya dengan itu? Oke. 7/3. 7/3. 6. Oh, ini salah ya. Sorry, ini salah. Saya kenapa di sini? Ini harusnya ini ya. 12. Okay, this one is wrong. Sorry, ini salah. Ini bukannya 12, oke? Ini bukan 12. Ini bukan 12, tapi 1 ya. Karena ini 6 dikali 2-nya udah ke sini, oke? Nah, ini jadi 1. Oke? Ininya jadi 1. Sorry, ininya jadi 6. This is become 6/6, and this one is become 6. Okay, this is 12. Okay, this is become 12, and this one is become 12, and then 4 ya, 7/4. Okay, this is 7/4. Okay, ini sudah benar. Sekarang sudah benar. Ya, harusnya benar. Okay, now then we check. Okay, we check sorry. We check the slide. So this is the slides. Okay, this is exactly the same what we discussed in the canvas, and this is the example. Okay, example is like this, and then the rest is the same. 7/4. Okay, ada pertanyaan nggak? Any questions regarding this one? Ada pertanyaan? Belum ya? So far, understandable. Okay. Oke, kita lanjut. Oke, lanjut. Now we continue with the next one. Okay. So now triple integral. The material is triple integral in arbitrary ya. Arbitrary. This is our arbitrary sorry, salah. Saya ulangi. Ini in general, uh, general region. Okay. Nah, seperti yang tadi itu adalah box yang tadi, okay. Nah, now we consider something like, okay, I will take this one, okay. This is ungroup. Okay, I will group it this one, and then I will take it here. Okay, so this one is the region, okay. For example, this is a B. The B is the region. So how can we calculate it? So calculate the integral over S now. Now we consider this one over S of the function f x z and then d t. Okay, where S is bounded, is bounded, close bounded 3D shape, just as you see in the left hand side. Okay, this is S, the 3D shape in box B. Sorry, box B. Okay, so we define the we assume, okay, uh, we define the value of f is 0 out outside S. Okay, jadi value dari f itu 0 di luar dari S. Okay, now contohnya yang ini. Nah, ini adalah integral. Nah, sekarang kita lebih simple. Okay, ini kita ambil gambar dari slide. Okay, I took it again from our slide. This is our slide, and this is the figure from the slide. Okay, now this is S. Okay, and consider the domain. Okay, look at this domain. Okay, X-nya terdefinisi dari berapa? Dari A ke B. Okay, and then Y-nya dari berapa? Y-nya terdefinisi sebagai fungsi. And then this is the functions. Functions. Okay, and then Z again is a function. Okay, jadi apa ininya? S, sorry, yeah, can be. S is a simple set. S is bounded. So bounded. S is bounded by Z-nya. Z-nya terdiri dari yang pertama adalah psi 1 is a function of X and Y, and then up until psi 2. Psi 2, X and Y. And then and the projection and the projections of S at X or Y plane. This is plane. Okay, di sini ya, yang ini. Okay, now we define the integral. Okay, the integral over the S of f x y z dv over s, kita definisikan berdasarkan gambar ini. Oke, yang gambar di samping itu adalah yang pertama adalah x-nya. X-nya dari A ke B. Okay, this is dx. Okay, and then y dz-nya, y-nya, y atau y itu adalah from psi 1 x, okay, psi 1 x until psi pi ini ya. Ini pi namanya ya. Pi 2x. Okay, this is dy. And then I use a green, and then the rest is the z. Z is from psi 1, okay, until psi 2. And this one is the function of x and y, and then this one is ada yang masuk, okay, and then this one is from function f, and then this is dz, okay, f x y z. Jadi ini ya, definisinya adalah this one. What you should remember, okay, kenapa dimulai dari z? Karena z itu fungsinya terbatas dari fungsi yang bergantung x dan y. Oke, x dan y. Ini di solve duluan. Oke. Nah, kemudian kita terhadap x atau terhadap y. Tentu saja terhadap y dikarenakan y-nya terbatas oleh fungsi ini. Yang ini ya. Ini y-nya. Y terbatas oleh fungsi ini. Oke. Dan ini baru kemudian yang merah ini ya, x-nya. X-nya terbatas dari mana? Dari A, yang ini, dari A ke B. Oke, jadi mulai dari yang paling kompleks, yang paling dalam. Oke, yang seperti ini. Oke, yang pertama adalah Z-nya, kemudian adalah B-nya, yaitu DY, baru kemudian yang merah ini, yaitu DX. Oke? Nah, jika ini ada note-nya, note-nya, oke, note, oke, if f, x, y, z is 1, okay, then the integral of f, x, y, z dv, this is the v, okay, of represent as a volume of solid object. Oke. Jadi ini 3 dimensi, oke? Panjang, lebar, tinggi. Ini dikali dulu, tinggi dulu, baru lebar, baru panjang. Oke? Exactly the same. Nah, sekarang just as the previous one, we take example. Oke? Contoh lagi. Example. How can we solve it? Okay? So example, calculate the following integral. Okay? So this is quite a complicated. This is the function is not 2x. Sorry. Ya benar. 2xy z. First of all, we integrate with respect to the z, and then z is from 0 to apa nih? 2 minus half x square. Okay? And then put that dy, and then y itself is from 0 to x. Okay? And then dx. The last one is the dx. Dx is from 0 to 2. Oke. Nah, kita solve sekarang. Answer. Oke. Answer. Nah, kita solve ini berarti saya langsung ya di sini. Biar gak jauh-jauh. Oke. Saya akan langsung. This is from 0 to 2. From 0 to x, and then I integrate directly the black one. Okay, this black one I integrate directly. Ini diintegrasikan terhadap z, jadinya apa? We integrate directly to z. Z berarti yang lain kita anggap sebagai constant. Di xy, this is constant, dan z-nya adalah z square divided by 2. And then I delete it. Okay, finish. So it's become, this one is z is from 0 to something, which is 2 minus a half x squared. Okay, and the rest is the same. This is dy dx. Okay, so we solve this part first, and then this is from 0 to 2. This is 0x, and this one is become just substitute. Apa yang disubstitusikan? Z-nya. Okay, Z-nya berarti x, y stay the same. It's become 2 minus a half x square. Okay, dan ini dikurang 0. Kurang 0 kita nggak hitung. Okay, dan ini and then we integrate it with respect to dy and dx. Is that correct or not? Seemingly it's correct. Okay, dan ini kita then we go through again through this one, and it's ini kita breakdown dulu ya. Berarti x, y, this is the same from 0 to x, x, y. Nah, ini kita breakdown, jadinya berapa? 4 dikurang berapa nih? 2 ya. 2x kuadrat ditambah 1/4 ya. Benar gak ini? X 4. Okay? This is the same. Okay, benar ya? And then this one is dy dx. Mau disamakan boleh. Oke, ini saya tulis lagi biar mudah, nggak bingung. And then this one is 4xy minus 2x to the power of 3y plus 1/4 of x to the power of 5y. Okay, so this one is the same. And then now we calculate it. We calculate first this blue part, exactly the same. Okay, and this is from 0 to 2, and this one is okay, integrate with respect to x, y ya, y. Berarti for x, saya pakai warna lain. I'll use another color. For x and then y square over 2. Tekanan terhadap y ya. Oh, and then minus 2x squared to the power of 3 times y square over 2 plus 1/4. This is exactly the same. X to the 5 z square over 2. Okay. And then y, it's from 0 to x. Okay, this is the rest is still the x, only the x. Okay, nah ini kita substitusikan x, atau ini saya tulis lebih sederhana. Okay, lebih sederhananya apa? Y kuadrat per 2-nya saya taruh di sini ya. Ini saya hapus. Ini saya hapus. And then I erase it. I just put it in here. Okay, exactly the same. This is over 2. And then jadinya apa? X square over 2. This is 4x minus 2x to the power of 3, 1/4 x to the power of 5. And then minus 0. Minus 0-nya tidak saya tulis, okay? And then the rest is, this is the x, okay? Kita substitusi, jadinya ini saya tuliskan kembali. Kalau bisa langsung, silahkan langsung, okay? 4, this is 2x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 5 plus this is 1/8 8 to the power of 7, okay, dx. Now integrated x to the power of 4 divided by 2 times 4, yeah. This is x to the power of 6 over 6, and then 1/8 plus x to the power of 8, and then this is 8. And then x is from 0 to x 2. Oke, ada pertanyaan nggak sampai di sini? Bisa ya? Ini cuma technical saja. Oke, ini adalah 2, berarti adalah 2 pangkat 4 dibagi dengan 2 dikali 2 pangkat 2. Oke, and then this is 2 to the power of 6 divided by 6. 2 dikali 3 ya. 2 dikali 3. Saya cuma ini 2 di pangkat 3 dikali dengan 2 pangkat 3. Ini adalah 2 pangkat 8. Supaya gampang itu ya, mencoret. Pangkat 3 berarti ini 2 ya. Ini pangkat 5 dibagi 2 pangkat 5 berarti bagi 3 ditambah dengan 6 berarti 2 pangkat 2. Benar ya? Oke, 2 pangkat 5, 3 per 2. 2 tambah 4, 2 tambah 4 berarti 6 dikurang 32 dibagi 3. Benar nggak? Oh, beda hasilnya ya. Ada yang salah nggak nih? There anything wrong with this one? Ini salah ya? Kok ke sini? Ini salah ya? Kenapa jadi gini ya? Ini salah ya? Okay, I make a mistakes in here. Made a mistakes here. It should be 2. 2-nya di atas, okay? 2-nya di atas ya. Maaf ini salah. So this one is wrong. 2 over 2 dibagi 4. Ini jadinya 2. Okay? I will erase the first part only. This is the first part. Okay, I will erase it. This is, yeah, that's correct. 4, 4, 2, 4. 4 per 2. 2. 2 pangkat 3, 8. Okay? Ini 4. Jadi, 8 tambah 4. Oke. 8 tambah 4. Sama ya? Benar. Oke. Should be correct. This is 8 ditambah 4. Harusnya seperti ini. Okay? Then we look at our presentations. Okay? Presentations. This is the previous one. And then this one. Okay? Take a look at. Ya, ini ya. Saya tadi sampai sini. 8 minus 32 per 3. tambah 4, jadinya ternyata 4/3. Okay? Any questions? Ya?
Itu kenapa batas yang pertamanya 2 dikurangi setengah X kuadrat?
2 dikurangi setengah 2. Ini? Kenapa ini ya? Kenapa ini?
Iya.
Soal. Ini soal. Ini soalnya.
Oh, bukan dari gambar, Pak.
Bukan. Ini nggak ada gambar sama sekali.
Oh, oke.
So this one is calculate directly the following integral. Okay? Jadi langsung masukin saja. Jadi ini nggak pakai gambar, karena terlalu kompleks gambarnya. Kalau terlalu kompleks untuk kita gambar. Oke? Jadi dia langsung menanyakan detailnya langsung. Oke? Ada pertanyaan nggak dari sini? Itu cuma 8 slide. 8 slide sama persis. Oke? Any questions regarding this one?
Not yet, sir.
Pak, jangan
Ya.
lupa upload YouTube, Pak.
Jangan lupa apa?
Upload YouTube.
Apa YouTube? Oke. Karena baru bangun ya? Oke. So this one is the rest of the. Ini cuma itu ya. Nah, ini adalah yang slide terakhir. Ini adalah latihan. Ini calculate the same things. Oke. Kalau seperti ini seperti apa? Solve-nya sama persis. Ingat yang ini. Oke. Ini tidak selalu X duluan. Seperti tadi itu adalah Z. Jadi ingat ini. Oke. Calculate ini terhadap X dulu, baru terhadap Y, masukkan. Ingat yang paling luar itu selalu konstanta. Dari konstanta ke konstanta. Oke? Yang paling luar. Oke? Ada pertanyaan nggak dari sini? Nah, saya akan ngepost tentang kisi-kisinya. Silahkan dikerjakan dulu, oke? Nanti saya berikan, kalau sudah dikumpulkan untuk CLO3 dan CLO4. Oke? Latihan dari kisi-kisi. Dah, itu dikerjakan sebagai latihan. Oke, kemudian dikumpulkan baru kemudian kita ujiannya tanggal 8 ya, tanggal 8. Ini saya stop dulu videonya karena ini sudah. Okay, now I will stop the video. Okay, record.